PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. Our local family-owned commercial HVAC installs and repairs all major brands of heating and cooling systems. Call our commercial HVAC company today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is a commercial HVAC? As with residential HVAC systems, commercial HVAC systems aim to keep building occupants comfortable with high-quality air in a 72-degree, 40 to 60% humidity environment. How long do commercial HVAC systems last? The average life expectancy of commercial HVAC systems is 15 to 20 years, assuming recommended maintenance is followed. What is your service area for the Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania service office? Our local commercial HVAC services have served Bryn Mawr, Rosemont, Ardmore, Penn Valley, Gladwin, West Conshohocken, Narberth, Haverford, Wynwood, Roseglen, Ardmore, Villanova, King of Prussia, Lower Merion Township, Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC service office located? We are located at 850 West Lancaster Avenue, Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania 19010. Our phone number is 610-424-6452. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Lancaster-Eve-Bryn-Mawr-HVAC-service.